The Rottweiler. The Rottweiler is a popular dog breed native to Germany. Historically, it was used to guard herds and perform special tasks, such as pulling carts laden with butchered meat to market. The breed is also used as search and rescue dogs, as well as police dogs. The color and markings of a Rottweiler are unique and distinctive. The dog is always black with clearly defined markings of a rich tan on the muzzle, throat, cheeks, chest, and legs, as well as over both eyes and under the base of the tail. According to the International Cynological Federation, the FCI, the Rottweiler is a sturdy dog of medium to large size, neither heavy nor light, nor high on legs. Of harmonious proportions, its stocky and vigorous appearance portends strength, flexibility, and endurance. Origin. In Roman times, Mastiffs, ancestors of the Rottweilers of the 21st century, kept cattle intended to feed the legionnaires during their great military campaigns. Once the Alps passed, the Romans advanced to Germania, where they set up garrisons, notably in Rottweil, in the Württemberg region. In the Middle Ages, Rottweil became a very prosperous city, with a strong commercial activity. It at this time was found the ancestor of the Rottweiler, under the name of Metzgerhund, literally butcher's hound, because at the time the dog accompanies butchers, acting as a cattle herder and guard dog. Over time, the breed became more homogeneous, and it was at the end of the 19th century that the name Rottweiler, or German mountain dog, appeared, while it was presented at an exhibition in 1892. The ban on the transport of cattle being decreed at the beginning of the 20th century results in the dog losing its usefulness and nearly disappears. But the breed obtained its reconversion during the First World War in the military field, as well as on the farm. Internationally, Rottweilers first conquered the United States between the two wars, where it was recognized in 1935. Appearance. The breed is a very territorial medium to large size dog. Rottweiler standards admits a size difference of 7 centimeters between the smallest and largest size, 61 to 68 centimeters for males, and 56 to 63 centimeters for females. So the dog can be small, medium, or large. Its average weight is 42 kilograms for females and 50 kilograms for males. As a working dog, the breed should not exceed 60 kilograms. However, the weight is not mentioned in the standard. Rottweilers are solid dogs with a well-muscled body, neither heavy nor light, but well-proportioned and evoke strength, flexibility, and endurance. The coat is formed by the covering hair and the undercoat. The covering hair is of medium length, hard to touch, and tightly pressed against the body. The undercoat should not exceed the covering hair. The hairs are a little longer on the hind limbs and tend to be black with well-defined fire marks of a sustained reddish-brown tone on the cheeks, muzzle, underside of the neck, chests, limbs, as well as above the eyes and below the root of the tail. Temperament. Rottweilers are known to be good-natured, very devoted, placid in basic disposition, obedient, biddable, and eager to work. With a natural and rustic appearance, they are steady, self-assured, and fearless. When it comes to their environment, the breed reacts to surroundings with great alertness and at the same time, even-tempered. According to the American Kennel Club's official standard, the Rottweiler's temperament should be calm yet confident and courageous, with a self-assured aloofness that does not easily give in to immediate and indiscriminate friendships. In addition, Rottweilers respond quietly with a tendency of wait-and-see attitude to influences in their environment. They have an intrinsic desire to protect their home and family. The breed is intelligent with extreme adaptability and strong willingness to work, which makes Rottweilers especially suited as a companion, guardian, and general all-purpose dog. According to the American Rottweiler Club, Rottweilers are the best breed in the world, but we firmly believe they are not a dog for everyone. Rottweilers require a calm, stable, and firm pack leader, or they will assume that role for you. Puppies and adults need socialization, exercise, stimulation, and mental challenges. With these things, you will have a wonderful companion. Without them, however, your Rottweiler may become destructive and out of control. But certain circumstances such as irresponsible ownership, neglect, abuse, or lack of socialization and training can result in potentially dangerous behavior. In addition, the exceptional strength of the dog is also a risk factor that should not be neglected. Formal training and considerable socialization are therefore essential for all Rottweilers. Although Rottweilers love their owners, they may behave in a clumsy manner towards their family and friends, being protective of their territory, and the behavior can be even more clownish towards strangers until properly introduced. A 2008 study found that Rottweilers tend to be more aggressive than average towards strangers. This aggression, nevertheless, appears to be correlated with watchdog and territorial instincts. Health and lifespan. Rottweilers are known to be a relatively healthy and disease-free breed, but given its success in mass production, the breed becomes more prone to certain medical conditions, such as dysplasia, bone disorders, and entropion, a form of abnormality of the eyelids in which the eyelids roll inward. As with most large breeds, hip dysplasia and joint diseases are common in Rottweilers, with 20.5% of dogs suffering from hip dysplasia and 41% suffering from elbow dysplasia. Heart disease, cancer, and hyperthyroidism, 14% rate in Rottweilers, also affect the dog. Osteochondritis discessans, a joint disorder primarily of the subchondral bone, can be experienced by some Rottweilers. In addition, hereditary conditions occur in some lines. Rottweilers are also at risk of developing osteosarcoma, or simply bone cancer, a cancerous tumor of the bone, which is among the most common causes of early death in the breed. The dog is also more susceptible than other breeds to develop parvovirus infection, a highly contagious and deadly viral infection that can affect mainly puppies and young dogs. If overfed or underexercised, Rottweilers can become obese, which can lead to serious health problems, including arthritis, diabetes, breathing difficulties, heart failure, skin disease, and reproductive problems. Obese Rottweilers tend to have weak immune systems, resulting in reduced resistance to disease and overheating caused by the thick jacket of fat under their skin. With a life expectancy that oscillates between 9 and 12 years, the Rottweiler has proper health for a dog of its size. Thanks for watching the video till the end. Now it's your turn. What dog breed do you have or would like us to talk about? Please let us know. Remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel to help us establish our presence on YouTube.